Hi guys! So I thought I would jump on here and give you a little product review. I realized I had done some videos about my cleaning tips, some little cleaning hacks that I have, but I didn't share any of the products that I actually, well I did, I shared the vinegar and baking soda. Those are pretty basic, you can get anywhere. But I didn't show you some of the products I use to clean my dishes and other things around the house. I shop online often at a place called Thrive. You might have heard of Thrive Market online. If you have, great, because they're a great sustainable online shopping and I highly recommend them. They are very environmentally friendly and their products are really discounted quite a bit. You do need to become a member to get the discounts, but it's not very expensive to be a member. And if you're poor and you let them know, there is a link you can find within their site. You have to look really hard in the help section and support section, but there is an option to request a free membership. If you're low income, you can get a free membership with them. Every time someone who can purchase a membership does so, they will give one to someone in need. So if you cannot afford the membership and you are on a fixed income, you can request with them. And their customer service is great. They have a live chat. I have never had a problem. Anytime I get a product that doesn't work or isn't what was expected, they will immediately refund the money. And unless it's a large, expensive item, they don't want it back. Ever since COVID especially, they have not been wanting the products back. They will refund you. They will give you some extra credit in your account, and they're quick with it. And their shipping is fast. It's just, sometimes it's faster than Amazon. And their products are great. Occasionally, like I said, I've had to get a refund because it wasn't what I was expecting. So they're very aware that that happens, and they're very gracious about working with the customer. So I highly recommend you check it out. I will leave a link. Go online, just type in thrivemarket.com and you will find them and see what they're all about. And usually when you're new, they'll offer you some special discounts also. So check it out.